Find a reputable modding website such as CurseForge, Planet Minecraft, or Minecraft Mods. Browse or search for the mod you want to download. Click on the mod to go to its download page. Check the mod's compatibility with your version of Minecraft and any other required dependencies or mods. Click the download button to download the mod's file to your computer. Open the Minecraft launcher and click Installations from the top menu. Click New to create a new Minecraft installation. Name the new installation and select the Minecraft version that the mod is compatible with. Under More Options, select the game directory for the new installation. Click Create to create the new installation. Select the new installation from the Installations tab and click Play to launch the game with the new mod installed. Note that some mods may require additional steps, such as installing a mod loader like Forge or Fabric. Be sure to read the mod's installation instructions carefully before attempting to install it.